You know, there's that feeling that you get when you go online and you find a super amazing deal and you order that bind and fly. And it shows up like 2 days later and it's just like, cool. You know, I'm going to go out and I'm going to try this. And you fly it and it doesn't fly very well. And you're pissed off. So you start changing things on it. You start tinkering with it. You start doing all this crap to it. And you finally get it flying beautiful. Just awesome. And then you do this. And you bust the hell out of it. Just when you get it flying perfectly. Yeah. That happened. Anyway, that is the story of my Diatone Taycan that I bought for $80 on Race Day Quads, and I fixed it all up and I made it look beautiful, and damn, it just absolutely pissed me off. So story is, I have here, right here, just right there, right there. There's a link. It'll bring you to my first video of the Diatone Taycan, and where I started at it to now this is the conclusion of it. But not really. It's not down and out. It's a simple fix. I just got to order up the parts for it, so I'm not worried about it. So just to kind of summarize, I bought it, didn't like how it flew, and just like all my other quads, I threw emu flight on it, improved it, and then I decided to make it naked, and I took off all the LED lights, I took off the ducts, the foam around it, and upgraded the props, and the thing flew fantastic, you know, for like one battery that I needed, or that I had it, because it was just super windy out and super cold and all this other shit. And then get a nice warm day, a couple days before Thanksgiving, or day before Thanksgiving even, and I get out there and I'm flying it and I'm using it to test out my Go2 that I just got, and just down and I mean, I'm flying this thing and it's flying beautiful, it's smooth, it's controlled, and then yeah. But you know what, that shit happens, and that's why we love this hobby. That's why. So anyway, here is the link, or not, sorry, here is the box card to the other video, which actually was my full Go2 review, where I actually crashed this. But I'm also going to show you the crash in slow-mo and some footage right now. All right, so I'm going to test out my new boom for the Insta360 Go2, and I'm going to test out this anti-jello mount. So let's go and have some fun. By the way, it's 20-something degrees out, so it's freezing. And finally, I dress somewhat appropriate, except for my hands. We'll see how long I last. Okay, screw the GoPro. GoPro coming off. We're just gonna go strictly Go2.
All right. Not sure how all this happened. That's bizarre. Oh, look at that. Wow. PTX came out completely. I guess that's because I'm using hot glue to hold it on there. Wires got shuffled around. Broke that. Broke the whole TPU mount. I guess it's the temperature. Oh, broke that. Wow, that was a lovely crash. But you know what? The Go2 is good. That's all that matters to me, really.
So there you have it. That was what footage that I have on it. I think I only got 4 packs on it before I crashed it. Anyhow, it flew fantastic. It flew great. The Jello and the Go2 is because of the mount, but I can't really keep testing that. Part of the reason why I put new props on was just to see if the Jello was caused by the props, the stock props. The mount, I have an anti-Jello mount and all this other stuff, but that's for a different story and a different video. So keep watching and have fun.